you guys? It's your girl Loverlee and I am back with another video. I know you guys haven't seen a new upload from me in a while, but I am back and I'm here with another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this beautiful centerpiece slash gift box for like an intimate event, and I'm going to be explaining more about what else you could use it for. But I'm also going to be reviewing this Eanjia bubble balloon with the feather printed on it. So instead of stuffing your bubble balloon with feathers, you can just buy this one that already has the feathers on it, and it will save you a lot of time. But without further ado, if you aren't subscribed to the channel already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a like and comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you think about this video, or if you have any questions, go ahead and ask them and I'll answer down there in the comment section. Alright guys, so for this tutorial I'm going to be using hot glue gun, ribbons, scissors. I got a nail clipper, you'll see what I use that for later. I have a gift box, a ring garland that I got from the Dollar Tree, the Eanjia bubble balloon, some floral foam, some florals, and also my hand pump and balloon stick. Okay you guys, so before we get started with this video, I want to quickly show you guys how I made the box for the centerpiece slash gift set, whatever you want to use it for. So I've been looking for a box with this shape for like 5 days now and I cannot find it anywhere, but I found this at the Dollar Tree. I really wish it was a little, you know, taller, but since I don't need the cover, I'm just going to be gluing the box on top of the cover to give it some more height, you know. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna be using the hot glue gun, glue the box on top of the cover for some more height, and then I'm gonna take my spray paint and I'm gonna spray paint it, and that is how I will be making the box. I'm just using some white spray paint that I already had in the house. I'm not even sure if this is the right paint for this type of material, but if it doesn't work, then we just gonna have to scrap all of this. So yes, that's what I'm about to do. I have my glue gun heating up right now, so when it's hot, I'm just gonna be gluing this box on top of the cover. So first I'm going to be gluing the balloon stick in the center of the box, and this is what I will be attaching the balloon on later on in the video. So I'm going to be using the hot glue gun to add the base in the center of the box, and I'm also going to be adding glue to the stick when I'm sticking it inside, just for extra security. You don't have to, but I've had bad experiences when I never used to glue the sticks inside of the balloon stick base and it just popped right off. So to be on the safe side, I'm just going to be gluing everything together. Now it's time for the fun part. So this company sent me their bubble balloon to do a review, and these are the bubble balloons with the feather printed. You know, sometimes you have to stuff the bubble balloon with the feathers yourself. These balloons make it so much easier for everyone. They already have the feather printed on it, and it looks so real. And you guys are gonna see exactly how they look after I inflate them. So this is how the balloon looks straight out of the pack. I think it's around 24 inches. I'm not sure, but when I inflated it, that's how big it got, like up to 24 inches. And I think it could have get a little more bigger, but I wasn't gonna risk it. But this is how they look straight out of the pack. I think the pack comes with 9 in there. That is what I counted. And you can add vinyls on them, decals, but I wanted to make this tutorial as realistic as possible. Not everyone has a Cricut machine, so I just kept it real simple for you all. So for these balloons, you can either choose to use an electric pump or choose the hand pump route like I did, because I wanted to have control of the amount of air that was going in there. At first, I did not know how big the balloon could get, so I didn't want to risk the balloon popping with an electric pump. But as I said earlier, the balloon is about 24 inches, so it gets really big. And when you're inflating the air, you don't even have to worry about the air getting released, because this type of balloon, it locks in all the air unless you like use a straw to release the air. So that's the good thing about it. It's not like regular bubble balloon where you have to hold on to the mouth part or the tail part of the balloon to prevent air from coming out. It is real simple, real easy. And this is how the balloon looked after I inflated it. I think I did go ahead and add some more air after this when I realized that it can get bigger. And I haven't tied the tail yet, and this is how it looks. It looks super realistic with all of those printed feathers on there, which I said will save you a lot of time instead of adding your own feathers to it. So now I'm adding the other end of the balloon stick to it. I think it's called the cup or the base. I'm not sure, but that is what I'm going to be using to attach it to the other end of the balloon stick, just like this. This is how it will look, but it's not time for that yet, so I'm just gonna put that to the side and start working on the inside of the box, where I'll be adding florals to make it look real nice and pretty. And I'm going for like a engagement theme for like a bridal shower or something real intimate. So I want to make it like real light and soft and cute, real simple, but you guys will see the direction that I'm headed in later on. Percent of the products that I'm using in this video is from the Dollar Tree, and I will definitely list everything that I got from the Dollar Tree or from anywhere else in the description box down below. So I picked up this chrome silver ring garland, and I decided to use the smaller rings from the garland to add a little touch to the box. You could use your Cricut machine and print some like happy birthday or any little decals to add to the box, but I wanted to keep it real simple and realistic for everybody, so I'm using stuff that I know everybody could get. And that is it for the outside of the box. Now let's move on to the inside, where I'll be adding these florals that I also got from the Dollar Tree. But first I'm going to be adding some floral foams. Also got that from the Dollar Tree. I know you should use like a knife or something, but I was being a little ghetto, so I used my scissors and tried to cut it into pieces so I can add enough foams to the box, and that is what I'll be sticking the stems of my florals in. And let me just say, guys, before y'all start judging me, I've never really worked with floral foams before. I've never made like a bouquet or anything like that. So this is all new to me, and I'm learning as I go along. But I do want to start working with more florals, so you guys will see more videos in the future of me, working with flowers and learning as I go along. So don't judge me. So at the Dollar Tree, I found these like lavender and ivory color flowers. It's fall now, so they didn't really have much option, but I knew I wanted to use like white or cream or something light. So I saw the ivory and I thought it was perfect, and I picked up the lavender flowers or purple just to add, a pop of color. But when I realized that I do have enough ivory for this small box, I decided to not work with the purple flowers anymore, because as I said, I wanted to keep it like real light and simple, and I feel like the ivory alone just speaks bridal shower or the theme that I was going for, so I won't be using the purple florals. And this is how the box look after I was finished adding all the flowers. Don't it look like those box of flowers that people be buying and posting it on their Instagram page? I don't know. Let me know in the comment section if you like it or if you see my vision. I left the little leaves on it to give it like a more realistic look. When you buy a bouquet from the store, they do leave the green leaves on it. So that is what I was trying to get at. But I don't know, I kind of like it by itself right now, but let's add the balloon and that will definitely make it a complete centerpiece. So let's just get straight into that. Okay, now I'm going to grab my white feather printed bubble balloon, and of course I'm using my hot glue gun to stick that onto the glue stick just for extra security. And I'm going to be using some white silk ribbon that I found at the Hobby Lobby. I'm using it to basically cover the exposed tail of the balloon and the top of the balloon stick. So I'm going to be making a bow and using the remaining of the ribbon to just flow or fall right on top of the florals. I kind of wish I had made the ribbon a little longer so that it'll drop more down on the florals, but I'm just letting you guys know I'll just save that for another time. But if you guys are going to remake this, I would suggest just make the ribbon a little longer so it'll falls on top of the florals. And this is the final look for my bridal shower centerpiece slash gift box, whatever you guys would like to use it for. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I love it. It is exactly what I wanted. It just looks so light and simple, clean, plush. I don't know how to describe it, but it's exactly the look that I was going for. You can style this balloon in so many other ways. You can put a ribbon over it, like to make it a hot air balloon. Whatever you like to use it for, so many different options, but this is the route I wanted to go just so it would be easier for anyone to recreate. But if you guys love it or feel like you guys could use the balloon for something else, or you guys are going to recreate it, let me know in the comment section below. Give this video a big thumbs up, and if you aren't subscribed to my channel already, why not? Like, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because I just know you love my tutorials. So just go ahead and hit that button, and I'll catch you all in my next upload. Bye.